Let's explore some common React errors that developers often encounter and learn how to fix them. By understanding these pitfalls, you can write cleaner, more maintainable React code and become a more proficient React developer. We will also master the most common pitfalls in React development. One of the most frequent sources of errors in React is incorrect JSX syntax. JSX, which stands for JavaScript XML, is a syntax extension to JavaScript that allows you to write HTML-like code in your React components. One common issue is missing closing tags. For example, in the incorrect code snippet, you can see that the heading 1 tag is not properly closed, which can lead to errors. In the given code, we have a function called app, which returns a div containing a heading 1 element with the text hello world. However, the heading 1 tag is not closed. To fix the missing closing tag error, ensure that all your JSX elements are properly closed. Here's the corrected code. Now the heading 1 tag has a corresponding closing tag, resolving the syntax error. So the corrected code has a function called app, which returns a div containing a heading 1 element with the text hello world, and the heading 1 tag is properly closed. Another common mistake is directly mutating the state in React components. React relies on the concept of immutability to efficiently update the user interface. When you directly modify the state, React may not detect the changes, leading to unexpected behavior. Here's an example of direct state mutation. In the given code, we are using the useState hook to initialize an array called items. The addItem function attempts to add a new item to the items array by directly pushing it. After that, we call setItems with the modified items array. To avoid direct state mutation, always create a new copy of the state when updating it. You can use the spread operator or the concat method to achieve this. Here's the corrected code. Now we're creating a new array with the existing items and the new item, ensuring immutability. In the corrected code, we have a function called addItem that uses the spread operator to create a new array containing the existing items and the new item, and then calls setItems with this new array. This ensures that the state is updated immutably. When rendering lists of elements in React, it's essential to provide a unique key prop to each item. Keys help React identify which items have changed, been added, or been removed, allowing for efficient updates. Failing to provide keys or using non-unique keys can lead to performance issues and unexpected behavior. In the given code, we have an array of items and we are mapping over them to render a list of list items. However, we are missing the key prop on the list item element. To resolve the missing key error, ensure that each item in your list has a unique key prop. Ideally, use a unique identifier from your data, such as an ID from a database. If you don't have a unique ID, you can use the index of the item in the array as a last resort. Here's the corrected code. Now each list item has a unique key prop. So, in the corrected code, we are passing the index of the item as the key prop to the list item element. This ensures that each list item has a unique key. The useEffect hook in React allows you to perform side effects in your components, such as fetching data or manipulating the DOM. When using useEffect, it's crucial to specify the correct dependencies in the dependency array. Missing dependencies can lead to stale closures and unexpected behavior. In the given code, we have two states, count and name. The useEffect hook logs a message to the console that includes both the name and count. However, the dependency array only includes count, which means that the useEffect will not rerun when the name changes. To fix dependency issues, ensure that your dependency array includes all the variables that the effect depends on. Here's the corrected code. Now the effect will rerun whenever count or name changes, ensuring that the log message is always up to date. So, in the corrected code, we have included both count and name in the dependency array. This ensures that the useEffect will rerun whenever either of these values changes. In summary, to write clean and maintainable React code, always close JSX tags properly and never mutate state directly. By following these best practices, you can avoid common pitfalls and build robust React applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.